All right, guys, we're gonna put a new center console in the Chevy Silverado 2021 2500 HD. Found this on Marketplace. It came with a lot of trim pieces. This truck that I just bought is the LT, so it has cloth interior and the middle jump seat. So we're gonna get rid of this and put that in. Dr. Harness makes a harness to make all the electronics work in the new center console. But these are all exposed and accessible, so I didn't want to pay the 180 bucks to put that in. So we're gonna get the bolts out. There are two on each side. So one on this side, one on that side, and then same thing up front. Pull those out and we'll get to that point. There are the two or the four bolts, so one on each corner of the jump seat. And then in order to get these, because I didn't have an 18 millimeter, not a crescent, but a hand wrench, I couldn't get in there. So I had to end up taking off the seat and just scooting it over. I don't think I have to unplug anything, but I got these back two out. So this is now loose and should pop out. Yep, so it just came right out. There's just this pad that helps seal for the AC that comes out, or the vents that come out the back. Obviously it needs a vacuum. That would probably be a good time to do that. And we're gonna get the other one in. Now that the jump seat is out, we gotta work on these trim pieces. So there's a 7 millimeter bolt here and one on the other side. And then you can take out, and this just has a bunch of clips. And so we'll pop that out. Okay, it's just the one 7 millimeter bolt on this side. There's not one on the other, but this should now, see if I can do it with one hand, but that should all come off. So just pop that off. And then this piece is next. This piece is just 5 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That little piece stayed in there, so I'll get that out. And then we're now ready to slide the center console in. Okay guys, before you can push it up and get the dowels lined up, it's in here. So before you push those and line those up, make sure you put this trim piece in. And if you buy one used, make sure it comes with this. It goes down and clips into all these clips, and then you can slide your center console up. Okay, so it's pushed up. You can see that trim piece is needed. All 4 bolts are in. And then we're gonna put these side pieces in, and then we'll bolt back down the chairs. And then we'll put the chair side pieces in, and then the back cover, and it's in and done. Okay, on this trim piece, there's a little hook right there, and make sure you hook that before you clip everything in. So kind of pull it back, slide it into position, then hook it, and then you can push all these pins in. Okay, all that's in. We're gonna just put our last 7 millimeter bolt back in, and then we'll tighten that up, do it to the other side. All right, it's in. All of these up here work. Obviously the charger doesn't work, and then there's a USB in the center console that doesn't work. And then just a side note, this did come out of a GMC AT4, so they do fit in the Chevys, but overall, super happy with it. It's got lots more room and way more usable than a jump seat. So thanks for watching.